Hi, and welcome back to Mr. Haas's Math Help videos. Today we're going to be doing Lesson 7, Part 2, dividing fractions by fractions. Okay, so here we have a fraction, 3/5 divided by 1/10. Okay, and the way that they show us in the book is they give us a number line. Our number line starts at 0 and ends at 1. We're going to divide this into fifths about as good as we can. And there's 1/5, there's 2/5, there's 3/5, there's 4/5. So here's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are all fifths. Okay, because that's what we cut that 1 into. There are 5 parts. Okay, so now we are asked to divide this all by tenths, 1/10. How big is 1/10? Well, it's half of a fifth. So I'm going to put a half mark in between each of these. These littler marks, they each equal 1/10. So this would be 1/10, 2/10. Well, that's 2/10 is the same thing as 1/5, right? So now how many of these do we have? Well, in the book, they have us kind of circle them. So this would be 1/10, and this is another tenth, so that's another one. And there's another one. Here's another one. These are tenths, right? 1/10. This is a tenth, right? We keep going because we've got to get up to our 3/5, right? And we now have each of these 1/10 things, all right? Okay, how many of them fit in this space between 0 and 3/5? Well, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we have 6, 3/5 divided by 1/10 equals 3/5. Well, here's a way to check you real quick. 3/5, if we take this number and we multiply it by this thing, 6 times 1/10. If we put this up here, 6 over 10, because we do it like this, 6/10 simplified equals 3/5. Look at that. Okay, using the invert and multiply method, real quick, if we take 3/5 and we divide it by 1/10, okay, remember that we're going to keep the 3/5 the same. Right? We now change to a multiplication problem, but we have to flip this guy. We're going to flip the second one always. 10 over 1. So you flip that over, we multiply across, and we're going to get 30 over 5. Well, we have to simplify. We're going to divide them both by 5, divide by 5, and that's going to equal 6 over 1, which equals 6. And there you have it. So that is dividing fractions by fractions. You can either use the model method or the inverse and multiply method. Thanks for watching. See you next time.